Alex, co-founder of Velvioo. Existing shared mobility services like bike sharing and scooter sharing lack consistent availability, provide subpar maintenance, and thus are expensive for riders to use and operators to manage. At Velvioo, we want to create a better shared network by embedding shared mobility solutions into where people live and work. We essentially want to provide residential and commercial properties with fleets of private electric scooters for their residents or tenants. In just 1 week of direct sales, we have signed on up to 25 residential buildings in LA and Miami to deploy private electric scooters for their buildings. Our target market of high-end residential properties make up 87% of new buildings in the US alone. These properties are looking for the latest new amenity, and we believe our private electric scooters are it. Our business model allows us to be the most accessible electric scooters for riders, which is extremely important. Allows us to scale quickly into new cities due to minimal regulation for private shared mobility, and most importantly, dramatically lowers our operations cost. Our company already has experience in the micromobility space by operating one of Armenia's first bicycle and electric bicycle fleets, reaching profitability in just 6 months and having over 19,000 registered users in just 4 months. Thank you so much for listening to our pitch.